What'd you say, Kenzie? Who's coming to get you? The duckies? Okay, let's go see them. Come on, let's go. Oh, they are. They're coming everywhere. Ah! Hey, birds, she just threw you some stuff. Show some appreciation. Throw it right at mommy and make them all go to her. Oh, nice. Do it again. Do you have any more left, Kenzie? Oh no! Here, want me to hold on to that? I'll throw that away for you. Oh, they are? Okay, run up to mommy. She has more that you can hand out. Run up to her. Run right through the birds. They'll fly away. Go straight. Yeah, run. Keep going. They'll fly away. Yeah, you did it. Oh! Oh, they're coming everywhere! Oh, that was funny. Kenzie, here. Uncle Brandon has some. Whoa! That was a huge score for that guy. You just gave him a big piece. Oh no. Oh, look, there's some more. Hi, she says.
Why he sad?
He's not sad, he's just hungry. Oh, look it. No! What? Uncle Brandon. Uncle Brandon made you a bowl full of stuff and you just dumped it out for him. Oh no. Are they coming to get you? Whoa, he did. Oh, they are. They're coming to get us. Yeah, let's go get them. Let's get them. We're coming after you guys. We're coming to get you guys. Oh, now they're gonna come back after us. I hope not. It's all right. You can say, "Get away from me, birds." Yeah, because it's icy. Because it's icy. Whoa, Kenzie. Whoa!